Hey Thomas, hey Lily, what are y'all doing here?
Let's make some cookies.
Oh yeah? What kind do you want to make?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Those are the best. Are y'all gonna help me? Alright, see ya Thomas. I have a pretty good recipe for chocolate chip cookies.
Your recipe could use some work.
How did you get... Wait, excuse me, but okay, fair.
Just follow all my instructions.
Yes ma'am.
This is my 5-year-old niece Lily and my 2-year-old nephew Thomas. My sister Amanda and her husband Andrew brought them over to my house so we could make cookies. I had a blast and I wanted to share the experience with all of you. Let's get right to the fun.
Cookie.
You wanna make some cookies?
Yeah.
What kind?
Chocolate chip.
You wanna make chocolate chip?
Yeah.
First, I need to make this a little softer so we can mix it. What is this?
Butter.
Butter. Does Prince want cookies?
Yeah. Do you want cookies?
He wants to be on the counter. I'm gonna help you with this part. We're gonna put the butter in. Disgusting. Do you know what this is?
No.
What looks like that?
Flour.
Close.
Sugar.
It's sugar. That's brown sugar. Can we add the sugar into the bowl?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you wanna do it? Dump it in. Nice. And the brown sugar. All right, now you gotta mix it all together. It's gonna be a lot of work.
Cookie dough.
Try to like smash the butter a little bit with the whisk like this.
You try now.
You need some help. You can hear all the sugar under the bowl.
Now it looks like cookie dough.
It does look like cookie dough. You wanna come see? You mix it?
Yeah, let's mix.
What are we making, Thomas?
Cookie?
Good job. Now it's ready for the next part.
Yay!
We're gonna add a piece now. How do you know how to do that? You gotta give it a little more. There you go. And that's okay.
You got it.
You can. Here, I'll help you. All right.
Can I try now, Thomas?
I'm gonna make it all come together. Is it your turn?
Yes, Tom.
Okay.
That's hard.
A lefty.
Good job.
You done?
It's done? Okay, one more time. Don't. These are the dry ingredients. You need to put the small ones in that one. That's the baking soda. And this is, you know what this is?
The same as this.
It's close. It's salt. And you want to mix this really lightly. Now you can dump this one into that. Okay, now be gentle so it doesn't, it's gonna come out of the bowl if you do it too hard. Actually, I'm gonna pour a little vanilla in there for you. Does it smell good? Yeah. Be gentle.
Gentle, Thomas.
Don't put your hand in there. Are you still making sure it tastes good? What kind of cookies is this?
Chocolate chip.
Yeah, so what's it missing?
Chocolate chips.
Oh, do you see them anywhere?
There they are.
You know what we need to do?
I don't know.
You can go ahead. Oh yeah. Is that the best part?
Yeah, that's the best.
Okay, now it's gonna be easier if we do this with one of these. So I'm gonna open this, get this, and you're gonna mix it with that.
Oh yeah, that's good. Now your turn. It's
My
hard.
turn. It is kind of hard because it's not soft anymore.
Oh, now it looks like a cookie, but it's cookie dough.
It looks like cookie dough. There you go. That is
Cookie dough.
cookie dough. Okay, so what we gotta do now is put it onto some cookie trays. You wanna use this thing?
Yeah, what is that?
It's a cookie scooper. So you gotta scoop just a little bit. You don't have to fill up the whole thing with it. That's good. Just put it on like the corner. You gotta squeeze it so it... There it goes. Now we just gotta keep doing it until we get them all on. Chocolate chips.
I got chips.
More chocolate chips.
I got chips.
You like chocolate chips? You're showing unbelievable restraint right now. You can help me squeeze it. You want to help me squeeze it?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, Lily, show them how to help me squeeze it. Okay, or you can just do it all together. There you go. I'm holding this big squeeze. Think the cats like the cookies? Thomas. Thomas. Don't lick it. Don't lick it.
Can I try now?
Yeah, you can put them there. You can put them on there. Wait, we got more. You gonna eat them? Okay. Don't eat. Do each other. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the oven because it's hot. Now they just gotta bake.
A few minutes later.
Be careful, don't touch them because they're hot. It's a microphone. You want to say something?
No.
2 seconds later.
I'm making cookies.
Okay, I'm gonna scoop these off so that they can finish cooling off on the bacon rack over there.
Well, I'm gonna eat that one, the big flat one.
You like the flat one?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat that one. It's such a big one.
What if I want that one?
Well,
I'm just
you can
kidding.
take it apart.
You can have it. But what if Thomas wants it?
Then we'll cut it in 3 parts.
Okay, that's nice. You got a microphone, look, that's yours. So he can hear you. What do you want to tell everyone?
I'm eating cookies.
So I just gotta do this.
Can I try now?
You can like scoop it on there.
Try now. Yeah. He almost cut the cookie open.
Put it flat. Good job. My turn.
We made some
Yeah, I bet.
cookies.
Okay, are the cookies ready?
Yeah.
Okay, get ready to taste it. What do you think?
Good.
You want to cheers with Thomas? Cheers.
You know how to do cheers?
Cookie. This cookie is yummy.
You want to say something in the microphone?
Hi. Hello, I love the cookies.
Yummy. Thank you, Lily and Thomas, for helping me make the cookies.
You're welcome.
Thank you for helping. Can you say you're welcome?
Welcome.
Thank you all for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you next time.
Bye. Bye.
How did you manage to cover your face like that?